Okay, I'm wearing a green tie, and and this is the topic about money, the color of money being green, and since our great referred mortgage specialist, Andre Persaud, isn't available today, however, he's left us with this salient information report, and I wanted to share it with you and give credit to Andre. We always like to give credit to the source, right? So, as you know, recently the Bank of Canada increased their overnight rate from 0.5% to 0.75%. That's a 25 basis point increase. Now, in 2015, I should say, the Bank of Canada reduced their rate 0.25% from 0.75 to 0.5%. The banks at that point only decided to reduce their prime rate by only 0.15 basis points. In other words, the banks kept that 10-point differential. And you may be thinking, so what's the big deal about that? The big deal about that is that 0.1% on all the billions of mortgages that the banks fund every year, that means a whole lot of money extra for the banks. Now, what happened here? So the Bank of Canada now increased it by 25 basis points. So what did the banks do? Yeah, they didn't absorb any of that. They floated through back to all the mortgage holders on variable rate mortgages by increasing their prime rates from 2.7% to 2.95%. So the whole impact was given right back to the borrower. Okay? So what should you do if you have a variable rate mortgage? Well, in Andre's opinion, and mine as well, the minor shift is not enough to have you switch from a variable rate mortgage to a fixed rate mortgage. Why? Well, let's just go an example. So let's say you had a $100,000 mortgage. Your rate went up from 2.25 to 2.5. The payment increase would be about $13 a month. Very, very nominal. So rates should not be going up long term. There's great information on that. Again, it's a nominal increase, and it's going to cost you more to go switch into a fixed rate mortgage at a higher rate. So even though rates may be on the rise, you're still saving a lot more money with your variable rate mortgage. Okay? So any more questions on that, just reach out to Andre or I, and keep more of your money, not letting the bank have more of your money. Till next time, thanks.